Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you all how I make Dumplings, which is basically cooking rice on low flame, preferably in a pressure cooker. This will allow all the spices and veggies to infuse its flavors to the rice and meat. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so like I said in my intro that this is preferably made in a pressure cooker. However, here I'm using my instant pot, which is somehow similar to a pressure cooker and makes life so much easier. So I'll start off by heating up some oil in my instant pot. And once that's all heated well, I will add in my onions. Just to let you guys know that this is my way on how I make my Dumplings. There are many ways of making this and you can use whatever ingredients you have in your fridge available. So give that a good mix so we don't want it to stick to the bottom. And once the onions are golden brown, I will go ahead and add our meat. So here I have boiled my meat prior for about 5 to 6 minutes just to get rid of any impurities. However, this step is optional and you can totally skip it and add your meat right into your golden fried onions. You can use any type of meat of your choice for this recipe. Here I'm using beef. Don't forget to keep stirring as we don't want it to stick at the bottom of the pot. Alright, so here I have chopped up some garlic and green chilies, which I will add in to my meat. You can use however much you want of the green chili depending on how much spice you like. Here I have used roughly 1, chopped it very well. Keep stirring. Add salt to your taste, following some ground coriander powder, and this is roughly about 2 teaspoons, and a pinch of turmeric. Mix that again. Add some tomato paste so we can get a nice flavor and color out of this. Alright, so here I'm using 2 chicken cubes. Add in some water before we put this on pressure cook. Close the lid. I will put this on the meat option for 30 minutes and allow this to cook. Once 30 minutes are up, open the lid. Give it a mix. Alright, with the help of a knife, I'll check if my meat has cooked. And as you can see, it's nice and tender. Chop up some tomatoes and add it right into the meat. Following some masala. Give everything a good mix. At this stage, you can check if your dish needs more salt, but mine was just perfectly enough. I will add in some carrots as well. And the rice right on top of it. The rice I had pre-soaked it around 3 hours before. Once all the rice is layered on top, I will add some more of the masala, which is specifically made for rice. If you guys do want to know the recipe, please let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to make a video on it. So give that all a good mix. Okay, add some water, making sure there's at least 1 inch above the rice. So char masala is my most favorite ingredient, and I will go ahead and add some more on top of the rice. Go right ahead, close the lid, and I will allow this to cook on the rice option for about 20 minutes. So I've hit the rice option on my Instant Pot for about 20 minutes. And there you go. Isn't that very easy to make? Give that a mix before you serve. If you did enjoy this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, hit the notification bell, and please do subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram as Afghan Cookbook. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy, take care, bye!